We are now touring your taste buds. Cook in Tuscany provides a unique experience for those looking for a luxury culinary vacation in the iconic Italian region of Tuscany. Guests stay in a high-end luxury hotel, enjoy all-inclusive tours of the old country, and learn firsthand from the Tuscan locals how to make delicious food. I'm trying to plan my trip right now, actually. Joining me right now are Cook in Tuscany co-founders, George and Linda Meyers. George, Linda, great to have you.
Thank
you so much for joining us. So the origin of your business is quite inspiring. First, tell us how this came about, how you decided to do this business, George.
Well, so we've been doing this business actually our whole life because I was a pilot in the Air Force. And we had always been entertaining people in cities that we didn't know about. So it just came natural to be in Tuscany and start entertaining people and showing them what we do. You're actually with us. We're your host. And you visit our friends.
So what's it like? Tell us what
it's fantastic.
What you get when you sign up.
Well, you get a fabulous week in the Tuscan hillside, but you also get these nonas that teach you simple, good recipes that you can come home with. It changes your attitude on food, on wine, on olive oil. It's fantastic.
Did you say wine? We drink 32 different wines during the week.
Sign me up.
Yes, we drink 32 different. Yes, that's not including our 8-course wine paired meal in a vineyard.
Yes.
What does this cost, George and Linda?
It's $38.50 a person, but that includes everything from the minute you step on our property to the minute you leave.
I love it.
So you say that you spend 10 months a year there, and when you're there, you lose weight.
You do.
Yes. We lose weight. We feel better. In fact, when we come back to America, we have a week or two where we have to adjust to the food and the lifestyle.
Because it's all fresh in Italy.
Yes.
It is, and everything is natural. It comes right from the farm to your table. There's no pesticides and no genetically altered food. So even people with gluten issues really don't have any issues there.
Well, I lived in Italy and gained 25 pounds.
No, you didn't.
Oh, no.
It was like 25 pounds in 6 months.
Oh, man.
Did you eat a lot of bread?
And a lot of gelato.
But you eat everything. I mean, Italians eat bread.
That tastes so good.
Italians eat pasta. You know?
Yeah, we do. We eat pasta twice a day, though. Homemade
Twice a day.
pasta.
Sign me up.
But yes, exactly. Yes, definitely. Yes. But you know, when you're there, you're eating stuff right out of the garden. I can tell you to eat 3 or 4 ingredients in your food in every meal.
Every meal.
We don't have 10 ingredients. All about tasting your food.
And it's smaller portions. You don't get a plate of pasta this big. You get a small portion.
No bottomless pasta.
Well,
you want that, yes. You want that.
Come to America, it's like that. Like 3 portions.
Your whole plate.
So when people leave at the end of the week, what are they most surprised at, or what have they learned that they say, wow, I never expected?
They really don't expect that they're going to change their attitude really towards food, towards vacations, towards experiences, because our big thing is giving people an experience.
Right.
It's not just about the food and the wine, it's about the full experience.
This is actually why people want to go to Italy in the first place on vacation. And if you're trying to do it by yourself, you wind up eating in restaurants that you don't very often love.
That's right.
So it is solely about the food and the scenery.
It's about really being
authentic. And it's about passion.
Passion.
Everybody there is passionate about what they do. There's a lot of people, Italians, Americans, that have changed their life to do this, and it's their passion in life.
Italy's a lot like the South.
Yeah, is it?
It is, because the people are really friendly.
Well, you know, we're from New Orleans originally.
I can tell.
Don't forget what Sophia Loren said. Don't forget what Sophia Loren said. I owe it all to pasta. There you go.
There you go. There you have it.
George and Linda Meyers, thank you. Great
Thank you. We look forward to seeing you in Tuscany.
I will see you in Tuscany.
I got a glass of wine for you.
Okay, cheers to you.
Yes.
Coming